Hey guys, welcome back to Aprotech once again. Today we are talking about this. I don't know whether you have heard about it. So this is called Oraimo CornerGlow. If you're interested to buy this, the model number of this, it's called O201A. If you're interested in buying this, just know it's one of the interesting modern lights. So this is a modern RGB LED corner floor lamp designed to enhance your atmosphere of bedrooms, gaming, guys. So if you're interested in having such, just know you have to watch this video until the end so that you can know what it can do. So let's jump into this without wasting any time. Yeah, so guys, let's proceed with unboxing. But before proceeding with unboxing, guys, we have what we have to check from the box. As you can see, it has 3 music modes, remote control included, RGB, radiant mode, we have removable light bar, then adjustable brightness, automatic timer. So let's go and we do unboxing, then later we shall do a short review and I show you how this thing works during night, right? So let's proceed with unboxing. We'll remove with this seal. So I managed to ship this item, yeah, so I've just received it. That's why you see it has a lot of salt tape, yeah. So let us proceed with unboxing, guys. So this is base. So guys, this is what we receive from the box. As you can see, it's what we receive from the box. So as you can see, it comes with these connections. What you do, you have to make sure you connect these 3 items. One is this, another one is this, another one is this, to make it tall. So let's proceed with connecting this. Firstly, we connect guys. The thing is very tall, you see, it's very tall, as you see, goes up to this end, you see, yeah. Then from here now it has the user guide menu. This is welcome guide. You can proceed and use this one, yeah. Then again it comes with a adapter. This adapter supports 0.3 amps. Also it uses direct AC, which is input is 180 to 240 volts. Then it goes here, back here is where you charge it from, right? And then from here we have a remote. This is the remote. It's directed from Oraimo. So these are the items that we find. So what we are going to do now, we are going to proceed and I show you how this works. So but before that, let me just give you a quick brief on how this thing works. So this is the model that, as I said, OL201A, and the product name, don't forget, it's called the CornaGlow Ambient Floor Lamp. If you're interested, and those who want to know the height of this, it's 1355 millimeters. That is the height of it, yeah. So again, the amps, if this one once it gets damaged, just look for anything that supports 5 volts, that is 2 amperes, guys. Yeah. Then installation, as you have seen, installation is very simple. You just need to connect these 3 tubes that are given. Then again, it supports let me connect it in the power, then I show you. As you can see, guys, it supports a lot of, see, this is how the remote works. You click like this. Also, it gives light. You switch on, it goes on. You put in automatic, as you can see. Then, not forgetting, it has RGB color lighting mode, that is red, green and blue. It has a variety. It has millions of RGB color combinations, and it has also perfect, it is perfect for mood lighting, like parties, like gaming and relaxing. For example, let me show you how it looks when it is beside your bed. Once you put it and you're someone who is interested in having such good light, and again, it has mode for music. It can connect directly to your phone. Then it can support about three modes of light synchronization. If you're playing music, guys, a light changes colors and effects according to surrounding music or sound. It is ideal for parties, home entertainment if you're interested. Then it has remote control. You're sleeping, you're somewhere, you want to increase the speed. As you can see, it has the remote has a lot. You want to select any light, you want to increase the light, you want to reduce it. So it has 10 brightness levels ranging from soft night light to bright ambient lighting. If you're someone who is interested in that, it can support all those 10 models. You can reduce, you can increase, like that. Then it has also auto on and off. You can set it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it will automatically goes off. You see, it can automatically goes off. After 2 hours, you want 3 hours, like that. Yeah. Then these are the modes that I've said. For music, it has music 1, 2, 3, so it can according to your music, you can press 1. If it is not good, you can press mode 2, like that. So again, it has these removable bars. You can remove them. You can say I want a short one, you remove the last bar, you leave only 2. They are easy to install, guys. Yeah, don't forget about that. Yeah. So if you are someone who is interested in elegant slim design that fits neatly into your corner bedroom, this is the one. You can go with it. It has low power consumption with LED, as I've told you. 5 volts is a high. It can create something premium for gaming, a home cinema atmosphere. This is the one. You can buy 2, one behind, one in the front, and again, it is not too heavy. It is super good on, except it was, the base is very heavy. It was given a base that is heavy to avoid it from falling every time. Yeah. So just know, if you're interested in that, go for this. Let me proceed and I show you how this thing looks during the night, guys. So not forgetting that it requires a power adapter. That is the problem with it. Without the power, it doesn't have it doesn't have the battery inside. Once you remove the power, it automatically goes off. That's the problem with this. Not like other lights that we have seen from Oraimo, but that's the problem with this. If you're someone doesn't like things without battery, then this thing will not work for you. Again, it doesn't connect to Wi-Fi or smart home voice assistant. It only uses only this remote for music control, timer settings, mode changes, like that. So those are the problem with this. But the pros, as I've said, excellent. It has excellent RGB lighting, responsive remote, bright enough for ambient lighting. Music synchronization works so well. So again, it has attractive modern design. So those are the pros and cons about this thing. For someone who is interested to buy this, please let me know in the comments, and put your comment and let us know what you have decided. Right, so let's proceed and I show you how this thing works during the night.